Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. We're going to take a look at the euro versus US dollar. In trading today, we're seeing a sharp move to the downside in the euro versus US dollar. The move to the downside was helped by weaker than expected flash PMI data coming out of that area in trading here today. Also, there's concerns about global growth. Yesterday, the Bank of England raised rates by 50 basis points. Central banks seem to be on the upswing as far as rates, and especially in Europe, where inflation remains high. European CPI is up around 6%. The UK CPI was 8.7% this week, prompting the greater than expected rise in rates, and that has investors and traders thinking more about growth now than inflation, in the thought that the central banks will over tighten and lead to that slower growth. So anyway, we are seeing the euro versus US dollar tumble to the downside, and in the process today we fell back outside of that red box that we've been focusing on in trading, really starting last week and this week. If we look at the price action last week, the price moved back into this red box, which confined the pair. These are weeks, so this is about four or so trading weeks through here where the price was up and down, up and down, up and down, and we moved back into that red box in trading last week, and for the most part stayed above that red box. We did have one little dip below the level on Tuesday's trade, but it was quickly rebounded to the upside, and then moved to the upside. So the price moved to a new high in trading yesterday. That high took the price above the May 11th high price, but only about 5 pips. So likely a little break right here. We had a little break up here. That each of those failed in trading this week, and the price started its rotation to the downside in trading here today, as once again the price fell sharply. And in doing so, the price fell back outside of this red box right here at the 108.955 level, and went down to test this swing area here, where we had first swing lows and then we had swing highs right here before rotating to the downside. In trading last week, the price moved briefly above that level and rotated to the downside before spiking above the area. And trading here today, the price did find support against that level and rotated back to the upside. And you can see that the high price, the high corrected price off of that low, has now moved back to the low of this swing red box, this swing area through here, and we are currently finding sellers against that level. So the what was once a support here now becomes a resistance in trading here today. Stay below the 108.95 to 109.08 level, keeps the sellers a little bit more in control in the short term, at least. On the downside, we need to get below the 108.42-ish type area. If we are able to do that, we have a cluster of support defined by the 100-day moving average. That's this lower blue line. The 100-hour moving average, that's the higher blue line. The green line, which represents the 200-bar moving average. By the way, this is a 4-hour chart, so this is the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and the 50% retracement. So a whole cluster of support between 108.09 to 108.229 would be key support, a key barometer going forward for this currency pair. So sellers are making a play in trading here today, trading below the red box, but finding support against a old swing area, and good support below that level near the 108.09 to 108.22 level. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.